I'm going to show you how to make Maker Kit number 6, Garden in a Cup. It's very simple and a lot of fun, and you can watch it grow. So first of all, we have a cup, some soil, some glue, which you will need to find some glue, googly eyes, some seeds, and a watering bottle. And then if you want to draw a face, you should get a pen or marker for drawing a face on your cup. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw and glue on our cup. You could do this before you add your soil. Your soil is in a separate bag, but since I already have mine in my cup, I'm going to try to draw and glue on here with the soil already in it. And you see how you can choose what you want to do here. I think I'm going to do a smiley face and a little nose. And then I'm going to glue my eyes on right here. To make sure that I can get my glue out. Okay, there we go. 1 and 2. And there's one googly eye, 2 googly eyes. And then, if you want, you can also draw or write on your water bottle that it's for planting, or draw a flower or something else. Now, the first kits we're sending out have lettuce seeds. Once we run out of lettuce seeds, we have marigold seeds, so we'll start using those. Once we run out of those, we'll see what we do next. But I'm going to plant lettuce in this one, and I'm going to read to you from this lettuce packet what you should do if you have lettuce. Okay? So you should plant to 1/4 of an inch, which is just a tiny, tiny bit, very small. And that means you just push a tiny little bit of your finger down into the top of your soil. So you obviously need your soil in your cup for this to work. So go ahead and put that in. And then press your finger just a little ways down. And then take one of your lettuce seeds and drop it in that tiny impression and cover it. This time I'm going to show you a little closer up what I did. I pressed my finger just a little ways down in there, and I put one of those tiny little lettuce seeds in to the hole I made, and then I covered it back up. Now I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to just plant 3 lettuce seeds, but if you want to plant more or all of them, that's fine. I wanted to make sure you had enough, so that at least one of them is likely to grow. And I'm going to plant my last one there. And then just water them. Make sure they have plenty of sunlight, so put them in a sunny place. And check on them every few days. Now I'm going to read something else that's important about these, okay? It says, days to germination, 7 to 10. So your seed needs to start soaking up the moisture from the soil, the water. It needs to start getting that sunlight on it, and then it will start to do something. And it says in 50 days it's ready to harvest. So a little bit more than a month, but a little bit less than 2 months, you should have lettuce that's fully grown if it works correctly. Now, sometimes seeds don't grow, but most of them do if you take good care of them and do the right things for them. If you want to add a little bit of drainage, you can put this on top of a small plate or bowl and poke a hole or 2 in the bottom of your cup to let some of the water drain out so you don't have root rot. And you can also Make sure that it's not in a very windy place, because the styrofoam cup is very lightweight. So you don't want to stick it outside because it'll probably get blown over, especially in the wind we have right now. So this is more of an indoor planting experiment. And I hope that you enjoy it. I hope you've had fun doing this activity. I would love to see pictures of your gardens in a cup, especially as they start to grow. And I will try to post mine as it starts to grow. You have a wonderful day, and join me for another Maker Kit.